Hello guys, let's try to edit this photo. We are going to use some of the technique to remove the background, and this is the photo that we are going to remove the background. So if you are new to my channel right now, I would like you to support me by simply subscribing to the channel. Okay, well, let's go straight into this. So what we are going to do, we can use a different way of editing the background by simply using this tool. You can even do that, but remember there are some problem there, so which means that we have to do it another way. So there's a way that you can do. Simply click this circle and we are going to unselect that. So press P on your keyboard to select this pen tool. Press Z on your keyboard, Z. You can press Z on this place. Press Z. If you press Z, let me change these things to English keyboard. So Z is to zoom in. Okay, so we are going to use this way. So press P, and then all you gotta do is that simply do this. Okay. So we are going to change something little. So remember that we are going to change this thing into a path. All right, so this thing will a path. You can simply click that and then do this. Okay. So all we gotta do is simply do this. Okay, we have to do it. Okay, just like that. So now we can be able to put it like that. So we are going to edit it a little bit. Okay, so don't worry, you can do it better right there. I just want to show you how to do that. So okay, if you cannot see this, you simply have to press Z, and then you can zoom in and press P, and then from there you can be able to edit that. So simply scroll up there. So we are going to change all these things. We have to do that. So this is what you're gonna do. Just simply some of the steps that can help us to make our way faster. So there we can do that. Okay, so do not worry about all these mistakes, because you can take your time and do it. So all you gotta do is that just follow. Okay, follow this correctly. You can follow it up to there. Okay, so if you can see clearly, press zoom and fit in and fit on the screen, and then zoom in again. So what we're gonna do here is the same way. So we can put it up there, and then press P again and follow it from where you stop. So there you can go faster. Okay, that's like that. Okay, so you can do it like this. Okay, so there you can see me doing that. So I'm following the path. Okay, so do this. Okay, so at the helper right here we can do that. Okay, there. Okay, all right, this is gourd, you know, for making butter out of milk. All right, so there we can do a little bit tweaking right here. So simply follow that way. Okay, follow that. Okay, now there we go. So now we are done. Press that on the system. Simply press that. Okay, sorry about this. So you can simply press that. Okay, all right, press Z, Control Z to undo this. Okay, Z on the system, fit on the screen. And what I'm going to do right now, simply pressing P, right, just like that, and then I will press P just to circle this thing around, just like that, because I want simply to remove this. So I can do this, and then there, then Control and Enter to bring that, and then from there you can simply, let me zoom in a little bit. So all you gotta do after selecting all this stuff, just simply press W on your keyboard like that, and then right click on the screen while you are still selecting that, and then goes directly into fader. So we are going to make sure that it's 2.5 or 3.0, just depending on what you want. After that you click OK. Now what we're going to do is to delete, Control X to remove the background, okay, from the system. You can either press delete or simply Control and X to remove the background. Let me change it. Okay, it's cool. Let's come here. There's something that we gotta do a little bit. We try here. Okay, I think it's all right. So all you gotta do is that Control X or simply press delete. Okay, now let's go direct into this and let's select or edit this. Okay, so all we gotta do is all right. So let's simply do that. Okay, no thumbnail, something like that. We can simply click that just like that. So we can come back right here and then press Ctrl and X to remove the background from the system, or simply press delete. It looks like we cannot do anything right now, or we can simply Ctrl Z to do that, and then double click like we did earlier. Okay, sorry about all this stuff, guys. So okay, after completing from here, if you complete, you can simply close that. Now okay, we are right here. Ctrl and enter, and then press delete from the system. Let me click edit, quick edit, Ctrl and X. Or what I can do is simply pressing this button, the delete button, and then from there I can increase the size, and then I'm going to remove the background. You can see that. Okay, Z to fit it on the screen, and press edit or erase, which is E. So all you gotta do right here, you can simply come to this and make it harder, just like that. So now we can remove the background just like that. So now we still remain with some minors. Okay, so these are the minor. Control X from this, all right, or Control X to remove this, and also you can do the same thing to that. We can remove that, and then do this right here. We can also remove that. Now we already removed the background, so all you gotta do is let me simply try to duplicate this thing and put it under this background right here. Alternative key, and then you duplicate like that, and then Control and close bracket from there, and then put it right here. So what we can do right here is simply put it on like that. Okay, or we can do that, and then you can increase a little bit there, or let me simply do that. Okay, there. So now we have that this thing just like that. So you can put it anywhere. Okay, you can even do duplication, and again go to edit, and then again you can do swapping or do anything. So for those who don't know about swapping, right here is how you can maybe, let me show you like this. All right, okay, and then we can stretch, we can stretch that, we can do that. Okay, depending on how you want it. Okay, just like that. So it is just a simple tip, so you can put it to good use when you want to learn editing. So there, after that you can simply apply like that. So you're gonna see this picture right here. So anyway, we are not here for that. It is just a tip, so it will help you. So you can simply place it anywhere, like this one is all right. So from there you can simply increase that. The next move is simply to put a saturation on the picture like this. You can simply decrease it or increase it, just like that. Okay, depending how you want it to be. Okay, let me put it like this. So let me try. Yeah, just to make sure that the background resemble what we are doing right here. So there you can simply do editing. Okay, just like that. You can do a lot of things. Let me come right here again. All right, there. Okay, depending on how you want it. Guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye.